In this video, we'll be taking a look at the top blogging platforms, weighing their pros and cons, and highlighting which platform is the right fit for you. Keep in mind that each platform is different. Some are more complex and cost money, whereas others are simple, free solutions. With that in mind, let's take a look at your options. WordPress.org is the best blogging platform for you if you want both accessibility and almost complete freedom. You have the option to run any kind of website you want, from a simple blog to a complex Mega Mart e-commerce shop. And you can go crazy and customize everything exactly as you want it, rely on pre-made designs and templates, or some mix of both of them depending on your budget, time, and skills. WordPress is developer friendly and the epitome of plug and play. And WordPress.org is free. WordPresscom is the best blogging platform for you if you like the sound of plugins and widgets and the freedom of WordPress, but handling all the technical stuff is a little overwhelming. As long as you can deal with a few minor restrictions, WordPress.com is a great middle ground between the freedom of WP.org and the accessibility of something like Wix or Squarespace. And WordPress.com is free. Medium is the best blogging platform for you if you plan to blog and only blog. If you don't mind leaving monetization and audience management to the platform itself, Medium is a great fit. Content comes first and foremost, so from the moment you log into Medium, you can start writing and interacting. You get little customization, but as far as the blogging platform goes, it's hard to find a better publishing experience. Medium is free. Ghost is the best blogging platform for you if you like to stay on the cutting edge of technology, engage in open source software, and tinker around with your websites a lot. Ghost probably isn't the best blogging platform for someone to go into as their first, but if you want a total different experience from Blogger or WordPress, Ghost is it. Ghost is free. Blogger is the best blogging platform for you if you've never blogged before and have no idea where to start. In fact, it's one of the most common first stops on the way to blogging fame and fortune. Since it's tied to your Google account, it's easy to get started, and because the Big G keeps a pretty unified user experience, you shouldn't have any trouble understanding what is what in the dashboard. You can customize the layouts and pages, but not as much as WordPress or Drupal. So if you're a total beginner, then give Blogger a shot. Blogger is free. Tumblr is the best blogging platform for you if you aim at a slightly younger, trendier audience. Tumblr is host to a lot of fandoms and pop culture blogs, so those tend to go over quite well. Additionally, if you don't feel like the traditional blog post and comment threads are necessarily the right fit, Tumblr just might be. With Tumblr's reblogging, you don't have to create a lot of original content to stay relevant, and you can absolutely make a name for yourself as a curator of great stuff much easier than you can on any other platform. Tumblr is free. Squarespace is the best blogging platform for you if you prefer the hands-off approach. If you want to keep your focus on blogging or selling and not on the website itself, Squarespace will be a good fit. In a lot of ways, Squarespace is the iPhone of the blogging platform industry. It's slick, pretty, easy to use, does pretty much everything, and it has just enough customization to keep most folks happy. Some folks may feel restricted, and if that's you, WordPress, Ghost, or Drupal are better options. For those of you who like to be taken care of, Squarespace is the way to go. They have plans starting at $10 per month. Wix is the best blogging platform for you if you need a website made in a short amount of time that looks somewhat professional. Many Wix sites are temporary sites that are used for a single project or promotion and then abandoned. Wix sites are far more suited to this kind of use than Blogger or WordPress because the templates and page builder tend to be more presentable with much less customization. Wix is free. Weebly is the best blogging platform for you if you want a blog or an e-commerce store that looks like it was professionally designed, but wasn't. Weebly is easy to use, and you don't need a lot of design experience to get it looking good. With the Square payments integrated, you don't have to worry about nearly as much setup as you would with WooCommerce on WordPress, for instance. Weebly is free, but they have paid plans starting at $12 a month. And finally, Drupal is the best blogging platform for you if you want a customizable CMS that is lightweight and suited for content creation. If you want to upgrade your blog into an e-commerce or membership site, you can do so without swapping platforms. The technically savvy who are turned off by the restrictions placed on some blogging platforms like Squarespace and Wix will feel right at home with Drupal. This one's great if you like to tinker. Where Squarespace is the iPhone of this industry, Drupal is definitely the stock Android. Drupal is free. So in the end, we feel that WordPress.org is the best blogging platform out there, although we are a bit biased. That said, every platform has its benefits, and you honestly can't go wrong with any of the ones we've mentioned. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.